guys, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry I'm yellow. I'm using the room lighting for this dorm tour so you guys can get a real feel. This is at night. Of course it's not how my room would be set up, but as you guys know by now, I'm moving to a different room before I can even get fully moved into this room in Williams. So I just wanted to show you guys the layout, just in case you're wondering if you're coming to JU or if you're moving to Williams and you wanted to see what the layout looks like and maybe what you could do to the room. Then I'm going to show you what I have, but keep in mind that I didn't completely move in yet, so FYI. This is what you see when you first walk in. Of course that sign won't be there, it'll just be your door number. This is just my corner for my cleaning stuff and just some color guard stuff. If you don't know, I'm in color guard. And then when you walk in, there's this desk right here. You can't even open the door fully if there was a chair right here, which there usually is, but I am in a room by myself, so I would just put it there. Honestly, I put whatever I could in these. Why is there a piece of toilet paper and Tide Pod right here? I have no idea. Some of those I can't even open because I have like towels and stuff like that. No, not these actually. So this is just regular stuff I use. So you have 3 little drawers in the desk right here. I just put a little painting. This green is really annoying. So here I usually do my colors. I usually do my closet color coordinated as well as my shoes, but like I said, I didn't get to move in. So I literally just hung everything up as I could when I was just moving. Whatever I couldn't fit because I don't have a closet like I'm used to in Oak, I just put down there. In these 3, this is just straight hair products, okay? And because my mirror is down here, I don't think I can open, yeah, I can't even open it. I'd have to move my mirror. My mirror's right there. Hey guys. This is just some overflow like of my steamer, some lab stuff when I'm in school stuff. That's what's in those 2 boxes. This is all my shower supplies. You do have communal bathrooms in Williams, so that's why I have this on top. And then here's just like makeup, hair stuff, like my kitchen stuff, jewelry, all that good stuff. This bed still has like my curtains and stuff from Oak and old bed sheets. I just didn't get to putting them on yet because like I said, for the 100th time, I didn't get to move in properly. And then I have this desk right here. This just has like my monitor, my mirror, my lamp. I can sit here if I want. This has like all my towels, laundry, stuff like that. And this is just where I put my overflow of storage for like these little bags and my suitcase. I have my refrigerator, microwave, printer, all that stuff I usually hang. And then my bed, I actually did make it. And this is the corner I usually sit in because I have that view right there. You can't see it right now, but this would be like the basketball court and stuff. But this is where I usually sit. Like if you watch my videos, this is my backdrop right now. And this is just like my other filming equipment. So I'm gonna show you guys the bathrooms real quick and then we'll be done. So this is when you walk. I'm gonna do a quick voiceover for this part. I didn't know if anyone was in the restroom, so I didn't want to be talking. It's kind of weird. So this is what you see when you first walk in, just some traditional stalls. And you have a mirror, you know, of course your soap, and there's like a trash can on the other side. And then right here you have your shower, so you'll just bring in your caddy there and then have like a place to like hang it up and stuff like that. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Toodles.